Mern. There's Mern wants to play basketball. You want to play soccer or basketball? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. The ball's not going to last much longer. Some bags.
We've been wanting to add to our garden, and so this particular weekend we had such good weather that we decided to build some planters or raised beds to plant some vegetables and also to transplant some of the existing plants that we've had in smaller pots into larger pots. I bought some rough cut cocoa lumber to make the raised bed for the vegetables that we were going to plant, and started to plane them to thinking that they'd look nicer. But after doing this for about 5 boards, I quickly realized that it wasn't really necessary to build something this nice just to be able to put dirt inside, so quickly abandoned that step. We had space for 2 5x2 planters out in the front yard, so here I'm cutting the boards to size needed for the sides, bottom, as well as the supporting blocks.
Cut some boards
and
5
legs.
feet in length. Avoid having to measure.
After cutting the boards to size, I pre-drilled the holes needed to screw in the boards to the supporting blocks. The clamps really help when you're working by yourself. Trimming the boards for the bottom of the boxes with the bandsaw, and also cutting the slots to get around the supporting blocks. I used the Craig jig to drill the pocket holes to secure the bottom boards to the sides. Here I'm pre-drilling the leg supports. Ta-da! One box finished after assembly. Brushing on some used motor oil to hopefully keep away the termites. I later used the sacks that were used for the potting soil to line the inside of the box and then perforate them with holes to allow draining.
The trash bins over to the back, and
we planted some okra, eggplants, and some tomatoes and peppers. We made use of our new raised bed planters. Here we have some onions inside plastic bags. 3 weeks later, they continue to grow. Hopefully in the next few months we'll be able to harvest. Bougainvillea loves the sun, so we transplanted them into bigger pots and put them out there to add some colors. This calamansi plant has been with us for about 4 or 5 years now. It's a low growing type, and it continues to give us all the calamansi we need for juice and for adding flavor to our food.
How old is that plant?
Months, 3 months.
A month to 3 months. How about this papaya? Don't we need to cut?
In keeping with nature for this weekend, we decided to take a trip to Guinciaman Farm, which is in San Miguel, Leyte, just north of Tacloban, about an hour and a half drive. Guinciaman Park is open to the public pretty much all week except for, I believe, Monday and Tuesday from 9 to 6 p.m. It's a very good place to just relax and enjoy some fresh air, just get away from the city, from the noise, and just be surrounded with beautiful landscape. One of the first things you'll notice when you come in is to see all of these towering Philippine mahogany trees. I'm guessing maybe 50 to 60 feet tall. There's so many of them that they provide enough canopy to keep the place cool outside. One of the things that they provide here are four-wheelers that you can rent. They have 3 different courses that you can ride on, and they vary in price anywhere, I think, from 400 pesos on up to about 900 pesos. Gives you a chance to see the rest of the farm on your own or with a group of people.
Beautiful scenic background of the mountains. Very peaceful, quiet place away from the city. Good place to have lunch and breakfast. They're open from 10 to 6 p.m. on Sundays, which is today. Hello, Ate. Good afternoon. How are you? How much is the rental? This is $350.
For beginners trail 350, and it takes 15 to 20 minutes to ride, sir.
Okay.
This is the trail map for the beginners trail, the red line together with the purple one.
I see. Shorter trail, ano?
Shorter trail.
And then-
For the farm trails, sir, for 90, it takes 30 to 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
This is the
This
yellow.
Yeah, the yellow one for you.
What do you see around here? I mean, are there animals or no?
Cows.
Like cows? And what is it? Oh, because of the
farm-
river.
Yeah, sir, the first trail.
That's pretty
Sorry,
good.
the-
That's also on the yellow or no more?
No,
It's a different
it's
trail.
included here.
It's pretty good. Let's go back this way.
Their dining there was very good. We ordered some Italian dish like linguine, lasagna, and some chicken. A bit pricier maybe compared to other places, but Very tasty, very good, especially their pizza. Definitely get their pizza over there.
Too.